Yo, everyone, and welcome to Agent Agent A. Just gonna make sure this is recording. Yes. Agent A, Chapter 1, A Puzzle in Disguise. Now, I don't know about you, but I decided a long time ago that I would make a great agent. You know what I mean?
Good evening, Agent A. Your new mission is in from headquarters. Meet Ruby LaRouge, an enemy spy who we believe is targeting
Fuck, she's hot.
We need you to follow me and locate and infiltrate.
Wait, that wasn't a minute in yet. I've already sworn, haven't. Damn it, man. Oh well.
Once inside, it is imperative that you uncover her plans. Oh, and Agent, do be careful. Miss LaRouge has a taste for dismissing agents such as yourself.
Okay. Once inside, it's imperative that you uncover her. Oh, and Agent, do be careful. Miss LaRouge has a taste for dismissing agents such as yourself. Yo. I love this art style. This is really nice to look at. Level 3. Yo, she fucking killed her. She's dead, man. God, that's hot. The fact that she can kill someone, not the dead body. I don't find that hot. There he is. So he was the guy telling me about it, and he's the one about to be assassinated. Yo, he was all the way at the other end though, so he probably survived. Damn. Damn. To move backwards, tap anywhere with 2 fingers. Try it now. Unbelievable. Ruby will pay dearly for the demise of the chief. No time to waste. I'll get inside and trap this fox. So how did if the chief knew about her plans, why did he get on the boat? He's like, you know what? I'm done here. Alright, I'm heading through the door. Intelligence found her boat nearby. Sure, this is her lair. New mission, infiltrate the secret lair. Dude, I'm the boss at breaking and entering, okay? It's how I bypassed your mother's restraining order with me. Tap anywhere with 2 fingers to move backwards. Okay, alright, that's poggers. Okay, let's have a look-see. It's locked. How can I get inside? How about you can start off by a golden keyhole. Now I just need a key. Your mum needs a key. Smash subscribe if you agree that your mum needs a key. That way it'll be way easier to break into her house if she has a key. Smash subscribe if you agree with breaking and entering. Yo, in the hole? Holy cow, it fits. That's cool. Okay. Yo. Damn it. Bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yo, I am the best gamer. Yo, entering. What? Oh, I used 2 fingers. I apologize. It was my own hubris that set me back. Yo, that's a pretty cool painting. Well, she does have a nice taste. I'll give her that. Infiltrate Ruby's secret lair. Bro, I infiltrated her lair. Like I infiltrated your mum's lair. As I said, I'm quite experienced. Yo, blows up the world. Alright, I'm going in. Like I used to with your mum. Okay. What? Is that correct? Did I do good? Alright. Man. That did the trick. I know. I don't know what I just did, but it did the trick, alright. I collected a crank handle. There's an open slot on the right. There. No, hey. Hey! Right there. What? It doesn't work. Why? Why though? What's in the cupboard? Can I use this? No? Alright, well. Alright, I need to like zoom all the way out. Where was the thing I was supposed to put it in? That's literally the spot for it. Yeah, well, up yours. Yeah, I've been playing for 8 minutes yet. No. Awesome. Where's... Man. Where do I put this, man? I know it's already activated. I'm the one who activated it. He said it was somewhere on the right. Did I imagine that? What is this hellhole? Can it go in there? Yo, a key. That's another place to store a key. Well, thanks for pointing out the fucking obvious. Man, it's so weird that you planted a key there. Oh my god, what do you want from me, man? Where does this go? Why did I even need this? Is the game malfunctioning or something? There's an open slot on the right. There's an open slot on the right. Oh, that's what I read. Okay, it's all good. My brain mad smooth right now. But only because I've had to lower my intelligence to play this game. Why did I exit? Yo, where does this go? What's through here? Ah, there she is. Oh my god, she is so hot. Oh, she planted a bomb. Dude, that blows. Bro, I'm so good at comedy. Haters will say, what the fuck was that? Never say that to me again. But they don't understand. New mission, disable alarm system. What if I don't want to? Shut up, phone. I hate that thing. Alright, how do I disable this bomb? Oh, that's right, there was like a... Where's the screwdriver when you need one? Where's your mum, bro? How are you handling that whole lack? Can this go in anywhere? Yeah, whatever, mum. Whatever, mum. Yo, 8 minutes? Well, yeah, I'm over the 8 minute mark. I might as well go all the way. At least until I've disabled the bomb. It's locked. I need to disable this alarm system. Yeah, well... I don't think it's going to happen. It might be better to start counting your blessings at this point. There's no secret button here. That doesn't work. Man! Oh, I'm going to die in an explosion. That sucks, man. Yo, she left her sharks here to die. Are you seeing this? That's animal cruelty. Yo, smash that subscribe for animal cruelty. I'm done. I can't progress. Once I reach a standstill, the game's over for me. Once I reach any sort of obstacle, I'm out. Yo, smash that subscribe and watch all my videos. Bye-bye.